Hello, we're going to do a video on something that I ordered. You guys know what it is. I know what it is. You guys don't.
Careful.
Okay. Interesting box. What the heck? This isn't my airsoft gun. I'll stop the camera.